So today we are going to draw vegetables step by step. So I am using color pencils for coloring. Even you can use wax crayon. For number 1, we are going to draw brinjal like this, brinjal spelling, and let's draw it. So for the brinjal, we are going to draw an oval first, a small oval like this, and then we have to make some zigzag lines, and then a stem, and then you can even make eyes and a smiling face. If you don't want to make it, you can skip this. And I'm using purple because the brinjal is purple in color, and for the stem I'm using the dark green color. Even you can use light green, it's fine, like this. And I'm using my dark green shade, and I didn't color the zigzag lines because I'm going to color it with green. And now we are going to draw a carrot. It's in orange color. So for the carrot, we need to draw one triangle like this and join the upper part. And then we have to make leaves like this, and then at top we are going to make a leaf that should be a little long. And then we have to do lines like this on the opposite sides. For the colors, I am using orange and dark green like this, and I'm going to do orange for the carrot. I colored it in one direction because it will look neat and clean. And green I'm going to color in the leaves like this. And now our both vegetables are done. Let's make tomato now. It makes blood for us. Like this tomato, let's make it. So for the tomato, we are going to make a heart, but the shape of the heart should be a little rounded like this. And then 3 lines for the stem. And again we are going to do zigzag lines like this, and color the zigzag lines with dark green or green. Anything is fine. And then we are going to do red because tomatoes are red. Like this, we are going to color it. Now for the next one, we are going to make a mushroom. It's very big. Let's make it. So for the mushroom, we need to draw one rectangle like this and join it from both the sides. And then make a half circle on top of the rectangle. And then we are going to do some curved lines, and then in the curved lines we are going to do some lines like how I am doing now. And then in the stem also we are going to do some sleeping lines. And on the mushroom we are going to do some circle, half circle we are going to make. As big as your mushroom you can make more, or if it's small you can make a little. And then in the circles I'm coloring it with red, and I don't have color pencil gray, so I'm using my wax crayons. Even you can use wax crayons for the whole drawing, and even you can use the color pencils. And like this I'm coloring it. Now we are going to do a corn. I love corn. I hope you do. For the corn, we are going to make a thin oval. You can make it slanting or standing like that. And we are going to make an opposite Y, and then some small thin lines for the leaves. And even you can make the pattern for the corns. And I am making some like half circles like this. And then you can make eyes and a smile. I'm making it to make it look cute. So for the corns, I'm using yellow like this. You can use light yellow or dark yellow, anything. Whatever you have, you can use. I'm using black sketch pen for better visibility for you. You can do with pencil and then trace it with sketch pen. our corn is done. Let's make a cabbage. So for the cabbage, we are going to make a sleeping oval like this, and then make a small line, and then one standing line on top of it, and then we are going to make curved lines like this all over the cabbage. And in the leftover space here, we are going to do some lines like this. It should be branches like this only, like that. So now we have to color it with light green. Don't use dark green for this, it will not look good. And color it in one direction like this. I colored the whole thing with light green. Let's do one capsicum now. So for the capsicum, we are going to make an oval and then make another oval like this. And on the both side, we are going to make ovals, half ovals, and then one line. Even you can do it with red, yellow and green. I am doing it with green because most of the capsicums are green color. You can use any of them. Like this, you can make a small bottom. Let's now make a lady finger. I love lady finger. I hope you do. So for the lady finger, again we are going to do one triangle for the lady finger. It has the shape of a triangle, and then a small triangle, and then we are going to do lines and then a stem. You can follow me as I am doing. I am doing dark green and it like this, the dark green. Now I am doing one potato like this, potato spelling, and we are going to do one potato now. So make a curved line however you want to do. Like this I am making it, and then dots like this. I am doing small dots. For the color I am using golden. You can even use yellowish. Now we are going to do a last vegetable, broccoli. Let's make it. So for the broccoli, again we are going to do one standing rectangle, and then some small rectangles like how I am doing, and then we are going to make curved lines for the broccoli, and I am using dark green for the broccoli, and I am using light green for the stem like this. Now all the vegetables are done. I hope you did it neatly, and it's looking so colorful now. So these are all the vegetable colors. I hope you learned some vegetables. Thank you. Please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon.